Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will solve this algebraic problem and it is x minus y is 4 and x cube minus y cube is 360. Then we'll have to find the value of x raised to the power 4 minus y raised to the power 4. So friend, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to the video. Let's start the video. Here we have the value of x minus y. So first of all we'll write this expression. It is x cube minus y cube, that is given here is 316, and we know the formula of a cube minus b cube. It is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and the formula of a cube minus b cube in terms of a minus b. We have here the value of a minus b type, so it is 4 given. So we'll write this formula in terms of a minus b. So it is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So it is the formula of a cube minus b cube when we have the value of a minus b. So we'll use this formula here, x minus y in one bracket, x minus y, and that is multiplied by x square, means x square plus xy plus y square, and the value of this is 316. Now we'll put this value over here. The value of this expression is 4, so we can write 4 multiplied by x square plus xy plus y square we have, and in the right hand side we have 316. Now this 4 will divide it by 316, then we'll get the value of x square plus xy plus y square. So x square plus xy plus y square is 316, and that is divided by 4. So the value of this term will be 4 7 are 28, so it is 36. So 3 9s are 36. So the value of this expression is 79. Now in the next step we have x square plus y square. So we'll write it as x square plus y square plus xy, that is 79. We have calculated is 79. So again it is in the form of a square plus b square type. So it is a square plus b square, and we'll write this value in terms of a minus b type. So we can write it as a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So this is the formula of a square plus b square in terms of a minus b whole square. So in place of a minus b, we write x minus y. So we'll write x minus y whole square and plus 2 times xy and this xy. So plus xy again, and that is 79. Now we can write this as x minus y value. We'll put the value of x minus y, that is 4. So it is 4 square plus here 2xy and 1xy will be 3xy, so it is 3xy, that is 79. Now the value of 3xy we'll write in the left hand side, so it is 3 times xy, and we'll take this x square in the right hand side, that will be negative. So in the right hand side we have 79, and we'll subtract by 4 square means 16. So the value of 3xy, that is equal to 79 minus 16 is 63. So the value of xy we have calculated here is 63 divided by 3 is 21. So the value of xy is 21. Now from here the value of y will be 21 divided by x. So now this value we'll put over here. So if we'll put the value of y as 21 minus x, so it is x minus, in place of y it is 21 divided by x, that is equal to 4. So now it is x and x square minus 21, that is equal to 4. Now we can write it as x square minus 21 is equal to 4x. Now we'll take this 4x in the left hand side. So it is x square minus 4x minus 21, that is equal to 0. So now we'll factorize this term, and the factor of 21 is 7 and 3. So the factor will be x minus 7 and another factor is x plus 4, and that is equal to 0. So from here the value of x will be plus 7 and another will be minus 4. So we'll have two values of x. One is plus 7 and another is minus 4. So we'll take plus and we'll take negative sign afterwards. So if we'll take 7, now the value of x as 7 we'll put over here. So the value of y will be 21 divided by 7, that is 3. So the value of one value will be 3 and another value if we'll put 4, then 21 divided by minus 4. So another value is 21 by 4 minus 21 by 4. So we'll take the positive value here 7 and 3. Now for further solution we'll erase this. Here we'll have to calculate the value of this expression. So we can write it as x square and its whole square minus y square and its whole square. Likewise, it is again in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write x square plus y square and multiplied by x square minus y square. So we'll write it as x square plus y square, and it is multiplied by this x square minus y square. We can write x plus y and multiplied by x minus y. Now we'll put the value of x and y here. So the value of x will take 7 and y as 3. So 7 square is 49 plus 3 square is 9, that is multiplied by, and it is 7 plus 3 is 10, and here x is 7, y is 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Now we'll simplify it is 49 plus 9 is 58 multiplied by, and multiplication of 10 and 4 is 40. So it is multiplied by 0, 0, 0, 4 8s are 32, 2 remaining 3, 4 5s are 20, 20 and 3, 23. So we have 2320 is our answer of this expression. So we can write 2320. So this is the answer of this question. So friend, hope this video was very useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching the video.